Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. Today I have taken one question. That question is question number 12, exercise 1.3 of NCERT 12th Maths. That question is, let f is to capital X minus capital Y be an invertible function, full stop, so that the inverse of f inverse is f, i.e. f inverse in bracket inverse equal to f. Now let us discuss how this question will be solved. Now come out to solution. Here I have written solution equal to, given that, here write, given that f is to x goes to y, f is a function from x to y, f is to x goes to y, is an invertible function. It is given in the question that f is a function from x to y is an invertible function. So since it is given there, so what to do next? Hence, there exists f is a function from x to y is an invertible function. Then there exists small g, y goes to x. Here inverse of f is g, and this capital X is domain here, capital Y is range here. So domain and range will be mutually interchanged in case of invertible function. F will be inverted, will be written as g, or this domain and range will be mutually interchanged. So here I have written g is to y goes to x, where f inverse equal to g. This is the statement you have to write here. What to do here? Next step will be, here it says, so that the inverse of f inverse is f, you have to show. So now after that, here it is written g is to y goes to x, where f inverse equal to g. So what to do next here? Imply that here g is there. So write here g. G O F, go. That is g of f equal to g O F in bracket x. You will write. Why? Here you can see in g of f, last letter is f. So you know f is related to small x and g related to small y. So here the last letter is F The f will be related to x. That's why I have written here fx equal to. Now what to do next? Next, here you can see what letter is G. Write here G. Write here G. And this O, this small o, will be converted into circle bracket. So open here circle bracket. So in place of small o, I have written circle bracket, half circle bracket. Thereafter write here fx circle bracket. Now equal to, it gives identity function on x. Goff gives identity function on x. So this will become equal to x. You can write here x, small x you can write here. So identity function on domain. Identity, this is domain, x is domain, the identity function on domain. Now come out to next. Next you take here f of g. If you take here, so you can write f of g, f of g. So here write f of g. In bracket you can write. Here you can see the last letter is G. So G related to Y, so here write Y. Equal to, here you can see F is there in between. So here write F. This small o will be converted into half circle bracket. So here write half circle bracket. After that write G in bracket Y, bracket close. Equal to, here you can see y is there. This will be the identity function on y equal to small y. Identity function capital X, this will become, this will capital Y. So identity function on domain capital X, identity function on range capital Y, gives out to this value x. So this is the statement you have to write here. So here you have got, since both equal to identity function capital X, and here you have got fog equal to f of g equal to identity function on y. G of f equal to identity function on capital X, that is domain. F of g equal to identity function on capital Y, that is identity function on range capital Y. So if this statement is there, then here you can write, then inverse of f inverse exists. Then inverse of f inverse exists. Imply that here you can write f inverse, ka inverse equal to, here you will get f. Here you will get f because f inverse equal to g, can write g inverse means this g का inverse f और f का inverse g, because this is invertible. So this is the representation you have to show. So I have shown like this. So this is the complete solution of question number 12, exercise 1.3. Now again I shall take next question. Here I shall take next question. Here I shall take next question. So next question I shall take, let us see next question. Question number 13. I am going to take question number 13. I shall write here. If f is a function from capital R to capital R, if f is a function from capital R to capital R, be given by fx equal to three minus x cube whole raised to power 1/3, so that then f of fx is, then find f of fx. This is the question you have to find out. So what we'll do here, let us see how I am going to write here. So what we'll do here write solution. Here write solution. Given that it is given that f is a function from R to R defined as fx equal to 3 minus x cube whole raised to power 1/3. So this is the statement I have written. The same thing as in given the question itself. From here I have written. So what we'll do here next? Next it says you have to find out f of fx. So you have to find out f of fx. The value of this you have to find out. What we'll do next? Here I have written the thing you have to find out f of fx. F of fx you have to find out. So what we'll do, here you can see in f of fx, first letter is f, so write here small f. First letter is small f, so write here small f. This is small o, so in place of small o, open half circle bracket. After that fx, write here fx. Once again, here first letter is F, right here first letter small f. Here small o is there, small o will be converted into half circle bracket. fx is there, right here fx, small circle bracket will be closed. After that, here f is there, right here f. Inside the circle bracket, fx is there. To put the value fx, this one value of this one will be put here. So here you can write in bracket value of fx. Value of fx will be taken from this place. So here you can write 3 minus x cube whole raised के power 1/3. So here you can write curly bracket. So here you have got. So in place of x, this value is there. So again you will do, again in place of x, complete value from this one has come here. So what to do next? Next you will write this one, 3 minus, in place of x, you will write complete this one value. So I am going to write, be very careful in writing. So here write, open here curly bracket, or in place of x I am going to write here. So here in place of x I shall write 3 minus x cube. After that raise to power 1/3, curly bracket close. So in place of x I have written 3 minus x cube whole raised to power 1/3. In place of x I have written this one. Same thing I have written in place of x. Again what will do here? Again it says this one I have written. In place of x I have written this one. After that what will do? In place of x I have written whole के power cube. This cube will come here, or here enclose this one in square bracket, raised के power 1/3. Just tell you here I have written fx. So in place of x, this value, whole value will be written. In place of x, this whole value written. So come out to next here. So here 3 is there, 3 minus, in place of x, whole value I have written this one, x minus cube power 1/3 I have written. In place of power cube I have written whole के power 1/3. This is the notion you have to do here. So what to do next? Next you can see here key. Let us tally once again. Here x, in place of x, you can write this whole value. I have written in place of x 3 minus x cube whole के power 1/3. I have written power cube. I have written in place of this one, or ये complete this one. So what will do next? Next you can write here 3 minus, or here you can see power 3 is there, or this power 3 is there. So what will do in this case? What will do in this case? This value, no, this value, or this is also power. This is also power, this power. The 3 will be cancelled out. This 3, this is power, this is power. This one will be cancelled out. So we'll get here 3 in bracket 3 minus x cube we will get. Whole raised के power 1/3 we will get. Equal to, because 1/3 is power, a 3 is also power. So both power will be cancelled out. So we will get 3 minus, in bracket 3 minus x cube. This one has been cancelled out, whole के power is 3. And now expand this one. So what to do here? Write 3 minus 3 plus x cube whole raised के power 1/3. This one will be written. This 3 or bracket will be broken. Minus will get inside. This will become minus 3. So minus 3 I have written. This minus will get plus here, or become x power cube. So this plus 3 minus 3 will be cancelled out. So here you will get x raised to power 3 whole raised to power O number 3. So this is also power, this is also power. Both power will be cancelled out. Here we will get x. So now value of f of fx. So here answer will be equal to imply that f of f x equal to x. This is the correct answer. So here I have solved this question number 30. Answer will be f of fx equal to x. This is the complete solution. Today I have explained thoroughly question number 12, question number 13. Both have been taken from exercise 1.3. So here this question is also related to exercise 1.3. So now today these are the two questions. I have given complete explanation and solution of these both questions. Okay,